Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to set timer on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the clock app on your iPhone. Now, tap on the timer tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can set your desired time. I'll set the timer for 18 seconds by adjusting the hours, minutes, and seconds. You can also label your timer to remember what it's for. Tap on the label option and I'll label it YouTube. Next, you can customize the sound. By default, it's set to radial. Scroll through the list and select your preferred sound by tapping on it. I'll choose chirps for this timer. Now, simply tap on the start button to begin your timer. And there you go. Your timer is now running with your custom label and sound. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.